Yo, what's good, Zone 6 crew? If you're watching this right now, anywhere from Missouri to Pennsylvania, Illinois, Ohio, New Jersey, all that, listen close because I'm about to blow your mind. Last December, I planted 5 dead simple things in dirt that looked straight frozen solid. My backyard was an absolute wasteland. By February, I was eating fresh food while every single neighbor was dropping $8 on sad grocery store spinach. $8. I spent less than $30 total, and I'm still pulling food from those exact same plants right now. If you miss the next 15 days, you are literally throwing away free food for the whole winter and spring. December 15th is the hard deadline for Zone 6. No cap. Stay with me the next 19 minutes, and I'll show you exactly what to throw in the ground before then, or keep scrolling and stay broke buying greens like a rookie. Most folks think December means the garden is shut down. Wrong. This is secret planting season for Zone 6 legends. While everybody else is sipping hot cocoa, we're out here building a food factory that laughs at snow. But here's what kills me. 99% of beginners screw this up because they miss one tiny thing. I'll tell you exactly what it is later, because if I drop it now, you'll bounce and miss the gold. Just know, it's the difference between eating fresh in February or crying over dead dirt in March. Here are the 5 things you 100% gotta get in the ground before December 15th in Zone 6. First, garlic. Yeah, I see you rolling your eyes. Everybody knows garlic. Bro, chill and listen. The garlic you plant right now grows 10 times bigger, 10 times stronger, and tastes like actual heaven compared to store junk. We're talking cloves the size of $50. Second, the ultimate cheat code, multiplier onions, also called walking onions or Egyptian onions. Plant these once and you literally never buy onions again. Ever. They multiply like crazy and walk across your yard dropping free food for life. Dead serious. Third, cold, hardy greens that laugh at 20-degree nights. Spinach, arugula, machi, claytonia. You'll be picking fresh salads in February while your neighbor pays $6 a bag for stuff that tastes like cardboard. Fourth, fava beans as a cover crop that fixes nitrogen and drops monster beans in spring. Fifth, early flower bulbs you can sell for stupid money at the spring farmer's market. Okay, stop everything real quick. Before I give you the step-by-step so you don't mess this up, I gotta tell you the dumbest mistake I made last December that almost killed my whole harvest. I was out there at 9 p.m. with a headlamp freezing my butt off, looking like an absolute clown. Keep watching. In like 3 minutes, I'll show you the right way so you don't look as dumb as me. Let's start with king garlic. Right now is the perfect sweet spot in Zone 6. Soil's still workable, days are mid-40s, and garlic needs that cold snap to split into giant cloves. Grab hardneck garlic from anywhere, break it into single cloves, plant 2 inches deep, 4 to 6 inches apart, pointy side up. Do not plant the whole bulb like a TikTok rookie. I will find you. Pro move. Soak the cloves in water with a teaspoon of baking soda for 10 minutes first. Kills any funk. 0 mold later. Then the second the ground freezes, usually Thanksgiving weekend, bury them under 6 inches of straw or shredded leaves. Go stupid with the mulch. That blanket is what makes them explode next summer. Do it and you'll pull heads so big your boys won't believe they're real. Skip it and you get tiny golf ball garlic nobody wants. Quick! Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're actually planting garlic this year. I want to see who's real. Now, the plant that literally prints money and food, multiplier onions, you poke one tiny cluster an inch deep right now, and next fall you've got 50 onions. The year after, hundreds. They walk around your garden dropping new bulbs everywhere. I started one $10 pack 3 years ago, and I haven't bought green onions since. My fridge stays stacked, and I give bags to neighbors like a boss. They laugh at Zone 6 winters. I've had them under 2 feet of snow and they pop up smiling in March. If you only plant one thing from this list, make it these. Free onions for life beats everything else on the planet? Pay attention, because here comes the mid-video mind blower. If you're thinking about skipping ahead, don't. The next thing made my neighbor pull into my driveway in February with his jaw on the floor asking how I had fresh salad when the ground was still frozen solid. Cold, hearty greens mix. My go-to is Bloomsdale spinach, regular arugula, machi, and claytonia. These bad boys germinate when soil is 35 degrees and grow all winter under a simple row cover. Every December 10th, I broadcast the seed like I'm feeding chickens, rake it lightly, water once, toss on a cheap floating row cover, and walk away. By President's Day, I'm out there in gloves, picking salad when it's 25 degrees outside. Tastes insane, 0 chemicals, and I save $40 a week easy. Pro tip, throw all 4 seeds in a jar, shake it, sow together. You get the perfect mix that keeps producing all winter long. Stupid proof. Number 4, fava beans. Nitrogen-fixing cover crop that also gives giant beans in May. 2 inches deep, 6 inches apart. They eat teen temps for breakfast. Number 5, early daffodils, tulips, alliums. 6 inches deep before hard freeze, and you're the first one at the spring market banking $200-300 a weekend while everyone else is still asleep. Real talk, most of y'all are about to close this video and say next year, stop. Here's the 30-second trick that forces you to actually do it. Grab your phone right now, open the link in the description. It's my exact Amazon cart. Garlic, multiplier onions, greens mix, favas, bulbs. 2 clicks, everything shows up in 3 days. Boom, you're locked in, no excuses. Your Zone 6 December calendar, no excuses. Right now, till December 15th, everything on this list is good. December 1st to 10th, perfect window. 10th to 15th, still solid, just move fast. After the 15th, garlic and bulbs get risky, greens are done. Zone 6A, stop at December 10th. Zone 6B, you've got till the 20th if it stays mild. Tomorrow morning action plan. Wake up. Coffee. Order from the link. When the box shows up, plant garlic and onions first. Broadcast greens, poke in favas and bulbs, mulch garlic heavy, cover greens, walk away like a boss. Done. Free food all winter and spring. Oh yeah, remember that one thing 99% of beginners miss that I teased way back at the start? Here it is most people plant everything and then never water again because it's winter. Wrong move. Give everything a deep soak right after planting, even if it's cold out. That water is what wakes the roots up before freeze. Skip it, and half your stuff rots or never wakes up. Learned that one the hard way. Zone 6 gang, if this helped even a little, smash like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment Zone 6 gang right now so I know you're part of the crew. Let's own winter gardening together. See y'all in the dirt, even if it's snowing. Let's go get this free food. Peace.